everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm doing Vince Decor, but 10 months ago now I'm started a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. I'm a flip furniture mom. Today's video I'm going to take you guys along my 10 months flip furniture journey. I'm going to talk a little bit about me and about my goals. I'm going to answer common questions I received along these 10 months, and finally I'm going to introduce my daughter. She's on winter break, and finally you guys can see her face. First I'm going to talk a little bit about me. Who is Maggie? Maggie is my nickname. My real name is Ana Margarida. I'm from Portugal. I'm a single mom. 17 years ago, after my divorce, I came to the United States with my daughter, where I'm living until now. Actually, I have two jobs, Monday to Friday. I'm working in the mornings was housekeeping. In afternoons, I'm work as a nanny. In weekends, I'm do the furniture. How did flip furniture cross my mind? I have this passion and creative mind to take old things and outdated and turn them into beautiful things. For a few years, I'm following amazing furniture artists at YouTube. My number one was Katja. If you don't know Katja, please check your YouTube channel because she is amazing. On the beginning this year, I comment in in one of her YouTube videos, and she answered to me. That answer she gave to me was the most powerful encouragement for I'm start flip furniture. She don't know, but thank you, Katja, for you giving that answer, and was so helpful for I'm start flip furniture. 10 months ago, when I'm start to flip furniture, I make goals. My first goal was got 1,000 subscribers on the end of the year 2021 in my YouTube channel. I achieved that goal. Thank you so much for your encouragement, for your comments, for your support, for your love. Thank you so much, YouTube family. My second goal was found, fix and flip 52 pieces of furniture. I achieved that goal. Let's go to see. My third goal, and more important, the reason I'm start to flip furniture, was pay in full the year 2020-2021 university tuition of my daughter. I achieved that goal. Let's go to see. Wow! In 10 months I found it, fix and flip 11 desks and vanities. Was one each month. The price range was from $125 to $600. Desks and vanities were not my biggest sale this year. Let's go to see how many tables I found it, fix and flip them, and if was my biggest sales. In 10 months, I found it, fix and flip 11 tables, the same number I did on desks and vanities. Was one each month. The price range for the tables was from $75 to $100. Tables were not my biggest sales this year. Let's go to see how many cabinets and consoles I did and if that was my biggest sales. In 10 months, I found it, fix and flip 10 consoles and cabinets. Was one each month. The price range was from $175 to $1,600. Consoles and cabinets were not my biggest sales for this year. Let's go to see bedroom sets, how many I did and if that one was my biggest sales. months I found it fix and flip 14 bedroom sets. Some months I did more than one set amount. The price range for the bedroom sets was from $350 to $500. Bedroom sets were not my biggest sales on this year. Let's go to see if the single dresses were my biggest sales on this year. Wow! In 10 months I found it fix and flip 23 dresses. I did 2 each month and some months I did 3. The price range for the dresses was from $200 to $350. The dresses were my biggest sales for this year. Let's go to see my custom dresses. Months I found it fix and flip 10 costume dresses. I did 1 each month. The price range from costume dresses was from $450 to $600. Customer dresses were my biggest profit. The color I sell better in my area was white. Finally is the time the guys waiting for the introduction of my daughter. Here is my daughter Raquel.
Hi, I'm Raquel. So my mom's talked a lot about me. So a little bit about me. I go to school right now. I'm a senior. I graduate in May. I also study psychology and sociology, and I'm a part-time preschool teacher. And I'm actually really proud of my mom for everything she's done this year and the support she's been giving me. It's really been really helpful.
2021, I achieved all my goals. Yes, yes, and yes. In my YouTube channel, I got almost 1,500 subscribers. Thank you, YouTubers family. I founded, fix and flip 111 pieces of furniture. I achieved my goal. The most important goal, I pay in full my daughter's university tuition for the year 2021. I hope you guys enjoy my video, all my journey 2021. Today's video is the last video of 2021. I'm taking a break on this holiday season. I will be back next year with more furniture makeovers. Happy holidays to all. See you next year. Bye.